Hey, what's up, Gems? Today I have a very exciting video for you today. So today we're going to be looking at what happens after you complete the FTMO challenge. What happens next? All right, so you just won the FTMO challenge. Hopefully it's the $100,000 option because that one's the best for your money. If you don't have enough money saved for that one, I would actually recommend just keeping your money and saving up until you have enough to pay for that one, rather than paying for one of the less expensive options. So that one's really the best for your money to go for it, as long as you have enough to do so, of course. So with that being said, what happens once you finish? What happens once you pass the challenge? So let's say you have the $100,000 challenge. Your account starts with $100,000 of demo money. You bring it all the way up to $10,000. 10 days, 10 trading days have also passed, and you have completed the FTMO challenge. So now that you've passed the FTMO challenge, that once you get a response from them, they'll give you two things. First of all, they'll give you a certificate. This is a really cool certificate. It basically says your name on it, and it says that you've passed the FTMO challenge. It's really cool to post on your LinkedIn or your Facebook or some other area that you want to show everyone that you passed the FTMO challenge. First of all, absolutely fantastic. Give yourself a round of applause. That is a very awesome landmark to achieve. After this, then you're going to get a new login for your verification. So in the verification step, it's basically 4 times as easy. So the reason that the verification is 4 times as easy as the challenge and not only 2 is that you have twice as long to complete the challenge. And then you also have to make half as much of the total money. So that's one way that's 4 times as easy as well, because 2 times 2 is of course 4. And then of course, another way is that your maximum total loss is still the original amount. The $10,000 maximum loss, we only have to make 5,000 gains. So before it was 10 and 10, now it's 10 and 5 in your favor. So hopefully you should be able to complete the verification much easier, with much more statistically likely to complete the verification, as long as you keep it all small, as long as you all keep it all relative. So I do recommend you trade smaller position sizes, risk less percent per trade, and take up that full 2 months. You have 2 months to complete this. That's plenty of time. And you really just don't want to fail in this part, because now you've finally completed the challenge. So don't lose it now that you've already passed it. So now you know how to pass the verification step as well. So I'll be making another video pretty soon going over how exactly to maximize the amount of money you can make once you've passed the verification as well. Hopefully now you should have a little bit more confidence. Again, trade really slow, so you should have 2 months from now at least, or a little bit less exactly, to pass the verification step as well. I really hope that you guys are able to pass both the challenge and the verification for FTMO. And if you guys want a little bit extra help, I do offer services. I go over challenges. I have videos covering in detail even better strategies than these, more specifically broken down more in the course for VVS Academy. So be sure to check out vvsacademy.com. I have 3 different options there. There's a signals, a monthly membership, and the annual. The annual and the monthly options are both the exact same thing, just for different periods of time. The annual is what almost everyone does. It's much more better value. So be sure to check that out. It's in the link it's in the link below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.